Picture-in-Picture is a handy feature that lets you watch YouTube videos in a small window while using other apps on your mobile device. The Picture-in-Picture window can be adjusted and dragged to different parts of the screen. To turn the Picture-in-Picture feature on or off, open the YouTube app and tap the U button. Next, press the Settings gear icon, then General, and finally toggle Picture-in-Picture to on or off. To use Picture-in-Picture, start playing a video in the YouTube app. Then exit the app while the video is playing. The video will shrink into a smaller window that you can move around your screen by dragging it with your finger. You can adjust the size of the window by pinching or spreading two fingers on the player window, or double tap the video player to enlarge or compress the screen. To return to the YouTube app, simply tap the player-in-player icon in the top right of the player. To stop the video, tap the X in the top left corner of the window. If background play doesn't work after you've turned on the setting, you might need to grant permissions in your device settings. To do this on an iOS device, go to Settings, next tap General, and then Picture-in-Picture. Finally toggle Start PIP automatically to on. For Android devices, open the device settings, tap Apps, and then Special App Access. Next press Picture-in-Picture and make sure that YouTube is set to Allowed. Note that some YouTube content, like music videos, cannot be played in Picture-in-Picture unless you have YouTube Premium. And that's it. Subscribe to YouTube Viewers for more tips and tricks.